Jobs Collective is a lead producer of the play. It is an independent creative group dedicated to bringing artists and artists together through theater, cultural events, and community-centered productions. Jobs oversees the overall productions, partnership, promotions, and coordination of the project.
Magandang hapon. Kailangan mo ba ng kahubot-hubad? Di naman. Nakakaya kay Mr. Oliver Oliveras, baka mamaya ay hindi ma-achieve ko na expectations. Matugunan, hindi mo pala yun.
Ayan, Direk Jojo, kumusta po kayo today? Are you feeling
I'm
excited?
good. And for some reason, I'm nervous. So be nice to me.
And mabait naman po ang ating press and media. Hindi
lahat.
Mahirap.
Yun. Situation, relationships, about moments, and sometimes a simple curiosity can become a story. It all began with curiosity. I just became curious about people who our society often label as commodities. So gusto ko malaman kung ano ang nagdala sa kanila doon sa mundo yun. I wanted to know what circumstances brought them there.
Anong shy type si Direk Jojo? Hindi sanay si Direk na siya yung tinatanong. Sanay siya.
A story of desire, betrayal, survival, and the dangerous truths waiting behind closed doors. When the lights go down, no one leaves unchanged.
Five men, one stage, stripped bare, stories uncovered. Their bodies may draw you in, their stories will stay with you. Ladies and gentlemen, the cast of Last Dance Hubot Hubad. Please welcome Gerald Magallanes, Paulo Domingo, John Segi, Crizan Manipon, and Robbie Padilla. And our five cast will be having a short special excerpt for our press for this afternoon.
Wala lang. Wala lang yun. Wala lang yun sa'yo. Hindi ko tinatanong kung ipuratin siya. Hindi ko tinatanong kung nagkantutan kayo sa kama. Ang tinatanong ko kung bakit mo ginawa sa akin yun. Bakit nyo ginawa sa akin yun? Kaibigan kita. Alam mo masakit? Umaasa ako na iintindihin mo ako. Ang masakit na sabihin niyang ako lang. Ako pala si Jay.
First time ko sa interview para sa loob ko. Hindi ko sanay ko sa kanya.
At nagulungin siya po ako. 21 po.
Pangalap ko maging dancer.
Disneyland!
Gusto ko pong sumaya sa Disneyland eh. Kaya, namasubok ko dito. Pamilya ko po.
Pangalan po ako.
Tapos may nakabata po mga kapatid.
Ay, yung nanay ko po.
Talaga po kami pinag-ibig.
Isip pa lang po ako mag-isa lang po ako tuloy.
Kaya,
Lahat po ng bawat sulok ng Maynila, kung saan pwedeng mamasukan, mamamasukan po ako. Makalapipang po isa sa titipid na nag-aaral pa.
Pamilya ko. Magulang ko wala. Kapatid ko kasama ko. As-aabot ako madumi, maalat, problema. Pambiling bigas, pambiling ulam, wala. Pero hindi nila alam kung anong ginagawa ko tuwing gabi. Tumatabi ako kung kani-kanino. Nakikiusap ako para bigyan ako kahit magkano. May magtanong man sa kanila na ayos lang ba ako? Wala. Kasi nga, yeah. Go.
wala naman na sabihin kong hindi ako okay. Dating Chris eh. Diba? Dapat madali sumunod. Dapat marunong mag-kiss. Wala dapat takot. Akala ko, ayaw kong pagdating lahat. Yun, yung tropa ko. Chris din yun. Hindi na. Parang alis ka na. Tapos, sumunod. Pinagaya nangyari sa akin. Tapos yun, nakulit. Pagkatapos subukan, kahit pa naman daw. Sabi ko na, isa one time lang ah. Madalas, sa gabi, hanggang sa bakang parehas na trabaho. Pero sa aling na tumigil na madalas pa nga, para makalimot. Makalimot sa lahat.
Doon sa character ko nowadays with the people, with simple people, possible ng mga audience natin. Siguro po yung be brave. My character is brave enough to do whatever it is just to provide for his family. Yun po yung siguro na kayang, yung tapang ni Ace, para lang makapagbigay sa pamilya niya. And of course, yung friendship po siguro, isa yun, na talagang, even though Jay, the character of Pao, Mrs. J, ay bago pa lang sa group or as a performer, as a dancer, talagang mabibuild na through the humor or sa mga experiences na binibigay namin sa kanya, advices na binibigay namin sa character niya, which is Jay. Siguro, na-build yung friendship, kaya I think isa po yun sa aral na makukuha nito, not just, kung napanood niyo po yung trailer, it's not about friendship. Pero, ito po, once na natapos yung play, mabibigyan niyo po ng importance at pagpasalamatan niyo po yung mga kaibigan niyo. Yun po.
Hello. Paolo po, playing Jay. Banking on, banking. Banking on what Gerald has said. I think the common amongst us five is the grit to live. Iba-iba kami ng relasyon for being in the club. But what is common and what bonded us is our grit to achieve something in life. Iba-iba man ng relasyon yun, pero doon kami nagpupunod. And personally, as Jay, as someone na panganay at working hard for the family, I really resonate with that character. And it's also relatable for everyone. Kasi ilan sa atin ang nagtatrabaho para sa kanya-kanyang pamilya. So, really excited for this character to shine through and may mapulot ang lahat ng manonood. Good.
So, hello po. I'm Dudong. Dodong. So, pwede po kasing, in reality kasi, ako kasi, in my experience kasi, nag-work talaga ako sa bar. So, kino-convert ko kanina yung nag-acting ako, kino-convert ko yung sarili ko, then yung, before yung mga trabaho ko kasi, there are a lot of experience po. ano ba sila pag uwi nila sa bahay? Ano bang problema na meron sila sa bahay? Bakit nila ginagawa yung work na ganito? So ako kasi sir, ako kasi, since na-experience ko talaga siya, mahirap. Lalo na kapag, ay, nagtatrabaho sa bar yan. Ay, ang laki ng sahod niya. Ay, natsupa na yan. So parang, ginawa ko siya, hinugot ko siya sa loob ko. And kumuha ko ng konting sanay na, yun, in-express ko lang yung sarili ko. Ayun, so thank you po.
Good, just to add, siguro kaya din nagkaroon ng bond talaga because nung nagkaroon na tayo ng first table with direct, nakilala rin namin yung isa't isa. So, sa kay Mark naman, I think nag-resonate din siya sa akin kasi yun nga yung grind, yung ginagawa mo para sa mga mahal mo sa buhay. And I think yun din yung ang challenge is really not to judge them habang inaaral mo yung character. Pero at one point, marirealize mo rin na may mga decisions na sa tingin mo mali doon sa storya. Pero kapag ikaw na yung nandoon sa circumstance na yun, baka sakaling gagawin mo rin yun para sa mga mahal mo sa buhay at saka sa pagkakaibigan.
Okay, para sa akin yung similarities between all the characters. Is we all, even though we're unaware, we all want acceptance. Tapos for me, as my relationship with the character, as an older person though, yeah, sorry. Parang yung similarity ko with Rafa is parang I feel like I've seen these guys before, these personalities. Tapos, I kind of know what it's like. Nakaka-relate ako to their stories. And it seems like parang their stories actually, some of us have experienced all of them, I think. So, parang it's easy for that guy, Rafa, to relate all these stories. And in effect, I think he becomes the default supervisor of all of them in the dressing room.
Para dun sa five na cast, pwede nyo bang balikan yung moment kung saan nakuha nyo na yung role? What was their reaction? And then, kay Derek naman, can you briefly describe each of them, kahit one sentence lang kung bakit silang pinaka-fit dun sa role?
Si Gerald, I knew I had to take him, like in the production. I thought, in fact, nagpalit yung character niya kasi nung nakita ko siya, sabi ko, pwede. Kaya niyang gawin yung si Pao, yun na, kailangan cute na mukhang inosente pa inosente. Unahin ko na to. Si Rafa, ang hinahanap ko, in fact, may nagtanong sa akin kung ano ba yung description nung actor na hinahanap ko for his part. Eto yun. Sabi ko sa kanya, si Rafa, dapat para siyang dugyot na yummy. Ang sagot sa akin, Andre, anong sabi mo? Direct nahilo naman ako sa description mo. Sabi ko, basta, hindi ko na-explain, kailangan dugyot na yummy. Tapos, ito hindi ko na explain kung bakit. Wala namang ibang mukhang pulis sa kanilang lahat. Pero ito papasakin. Bukod dito, wala namang ibang mukhang pulis, di ba? Itong nyam-nyam na. Di ba? Kasi pagkatapos sabi ko, actually, he came here nang walang pinre pa ng monologue. So sabi ko, sabi niya, Direk, ano na lang? Sabi mo, ad-lib. Oo, meron siya term na ginamit ng parang hindi basta parang ad-lib, mag-ano daw siya. Improv, pala he meant improv. Ba nag-improv? Sabi ko, saan ang galing yun? Sabi niya, sa kwento daw ng buhay niya. Sabi ko, how far can you go? Nagubad ng shirt ko, hubadero. Pag talikod, sabi ko, Susme, sige na, cast ka na. Ayun na yun. honestly, they were cast because they can do the job, not because they're looking for a job.
Okay, yung character ko, I think I finally got him last night. After the second script came in, I was like, okay, I got this guy. I feel actually sad for him. Yeah, last night.
Ang tanong niya, ano daw reaction mo nung
Oh, may reaction.
role?
Akala ko yung character. Yung nakuha ko yung role. I was excited kasi my mind was running, what would the show be? How important it is for, parang these are the topics that are important to us. So I was right away excited about that. Sabi ko, this is gonna be an important play. I don't know what ripple it's gonna have, pero it's important. Sa akin, just to be part of it, I was already thrilled. Sabi ko, I already love this. Yun.
Ako naman sobrang na-excite ako kasi parang yung decision to do audition parang was only a day or 2 days before the audition. Pero kasi naghanap ako ng mga bagay na parang papabuhay sa akin. And performing is one of them. Kaya actually, direct, sabi after a week malalaman. So parang nung lumabas ng 1 week, parang hindi na sa akin, hindi ko na nakuha. Tapos after 2 weeks, may tumatawag nga na I got the role. So super thankful lang nung time na yun na makapag-perform ulit ako.
Hello. To be honest, ano na talaga, friend lang talaga yung nag-insist sa akin. Oh, Jan, mag-audition ka na sa The Last Dance. Sabi ko, pwede ba ako doon? Oh, pwede ka doon. Then nagpunta ako dito. On the spot, wala akong, alam ko na. Huhugot ako ng konti sa life ko. Then, i-spread ko sa stage. So, yun. Kaya medyo overwhelmed ako, masaya ako, and thank you, Director.
Ayun. So, funny story because when I got the news, I think it was Alex who was calling me that time. I was in the middle of a gym session. As in, bumubuhat ako. Tapos tumatawag siya. Ingay-ingay ni Alex. My God. Tapos pinagalitan ako ng coach ko. Sabi, sino ba yung tumatawag na yan? So, doon ko siya nalaman. Tapos, initial reaction, sure, I was excited. I was honored to finally work with Direct Jojo. Honestly, after the audition, and this is me as an actor, when I audition, parang sabi nga nila, kakalimutan ko na after para hindi ka masaktan. You know? But with this material, it's may 10% sa akin. I'm really hoping to get it because I know that it will be a great experience to work with Direct Jojo and to work with this material. So yeah, really excited. And Alex, huwag kang tatawag ng ganun, ha? Oo. Hindi, joke lang. Yun po.
Ako po, si Sir Alex po ang nagbigay ng good news. Siya din po yung nag-message sa akin. Masaya po ako kasi isa po sa gusto kong mangyari sa buhay ko ay makaarte outside iba-ibang theater group. At glad, so happy kasi I had a chance po na makaarte with World ang producer ay Jams Collective and World Theater Organization and with Direct Jojo, his first baby. This is his first baby, kaya sobrang excited po ako na makasali sa play na to. Yan po.
I have a problem answering that. No, I'm gay. I don't do girls. Sorry.
Yeah.
I don't. Okay. Is that the question? Is that what you wanted to know?
I think, I'm part of the community, and again, but in terms of kung ano yung, I would say, sexuality ng character, I think better na parang we go through Mark dun sa story niya, kasi I think it's not definite or set in a specific period. So even yung character ni Mark, I don't think he's sure of his sexuality, and that's part of the story, and that's part of the experiences of a lot of people. And thank you kasi
as a part of the community, I guess, ang point naman is to give more opportunities for us kasi may mga opportunities na hindi nabibigay sa atin. So it can be a gay role, a straight role, pero the point is we are giving opportunities to those kumbaga, hindi naman talaga nabibigyan ng pagkakataon.
So, ayun. Straight po. Straight. Yan. Wait lang. Ayun, straight po. Yun. Sa lahat po na nandito, ako po yung pinaka-support. Hindi, to be honest, straight po. I'm just enjoying with us.
Ayan, I am an openly gay actor. And banking on your second question, how is it important for us to actually portray stories with actual gay actors? Because, there's always been an issue of gays being typecast. Being just in comedy, being just kaibigan, sidekick. Di nalalayo tayo sa ganong kwento. Sobrang galing ng play na ito kasi ang sarap sa pakiramdam na may isang baklang aktor na gumaganap sa isang straight na role. No? Sobrang empowering nun. And as I mentioned, this is just one of those taboos and one of those issues in the society that we'll be discussing with the play. Kaya sobrang excited ako for you guys to see this. Thank you.
Ako po ay proud na iminiwaboy ngayon ang LGBT flag. Ako po ay kasabay ng komunidad. At hindi naman po mahirap, pero kaya challenging siguro i-portray yung character ko as Ace kasi marami po siyang level ng queerness. Character ay hindi alam kung ano ang gender niya talaga. So, manood po kayong lahat para malaman po natin kung ano sa dulo, kung ano talaga siya.
So, ang worst na sa job na na-experience mo talagang pinaka-worst is yung tatakasan ka ng customers mo na hindi nagbabayad ng bill.
Ano nangyayari pag gano'n?
Minsan magpe-pretend silang lasing or iihi tapos iiwanan ka nila sa table. Then, makikita mo, wala na pala yung customers mo. Then, nagbibigay ka, ikaw mag-aabono ng lahat. Pinaka-worst lahat yun, para sa akin.
Ikaw mismo nag-aabono?
Oo, sir. Many times na nangyari sa akin yun na yung guest ko, siyempre, first meet mo pa lang, hindi mo kailangan. Tapos gagawin sa'yo, iihi lang kunwari. Tapos, siyempre, ikaw, kahit paano, lasing ka na, tatakasan ka ng customers mo. Wala na, ikaw na mag-abono.
And then itong play na to, matatakal ba yun? Hopefully.
Hindi naman siya matatakil doon sa line, but pwede siya, yung line kasi pwede i-consider.
Okay.
Na yung mga customers, usually ma-table ng mga, tapos nakakalimutan nila. Kaya yung mga lalaki silang mas gusto kaysa sa'yo.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh, here naman daw on the left side. And then, okay, on the right daw. Okay, on the left.
Kaya direct dahil ginusto po nila, si Direct Jojo na lang daw. Then, gusto nyo pa po ba silang makitang mag-topless? Yeah, kung gusto nyo po silang makita mag-topless, mananood po tayo ng Last Dance. Ubud-ubad, premiering on September 29 and that runs from October 1, 6, 8, 13, and 15 with special screening on October 17th, 20th, 22nd, 27th, and 29th, 7:30 p.m. only here at Passion Club. Yes, yes.
But do not forget RSVP right away, September 28, that's a Monday. I only have very few seats because this will be configured into theater, seating style. So later, please come and
open your mobile phones and your RSVP. Good night, and thank you everybody.
Ayan. Ako po yung malalagot sa press kasi picture po muna. And we would like to thank our sponsors, iSkin, Aesthetic Lifestyle, U Hotel, Studio QZ, Stag, Duality, Manjam, and Halcyon Club. Maraming salamat po. Everyone, maraming salamat po for being with us tonight. My name is Salmonella. Open house pa po tayo. You can still stay. The food is overflowing sa ating buffet. Pwede pa rin po kayong umorder kung gusto nyo na po ng early inom. Pwede na po ang alcoholic beverages. And you can still be with our cast and director for this night. Maraming salamat po! Thank you.